Diesel and Turbo is the world's leading supplier of industrial axial flow compressors. Various types of axial flow compressors are available to meet the specific requirements of different industrial sectors. Depending on the frame size, a single axial flow compressor may have a suction capacity of up to 1.5 million cubic meters per hour and be able to compress this flow to a maximum pressure of 25 bar. For example, all the air inside the Cologne Cathedral, which at 516 feet is the third tallest church building in the world, could be exhausted in around 16 minutes. The basic design of an axial flow compressor is similar to that of a fan. Blades are mounted around a shaft. In order to increase the effect, several of these blade rows are arranged axially, one behind the other.